It's the 1970s in the UK. Families gather around a boxy television, the soft hum of the set filling the room. Color slowly creeps in from black and white screens. Curtains are drawn, cups of tea steaming, the day's chatter paused. No streaming, no endless choice. One channel, one story, shared across the nation. Every laugh, gasp, and dramatic twist captured attention. TV wasn't background noise, it was an event. Tonight, we're stepping back into a decade where these shows shaped culture, laughter, and memories that still echo today. 1. Fawlty Towers. Basil Fawlty's chaotic hotel instantly hooked viewers. John Cleese's sharp wit, Manuel's lovable confusion, and perfectly timed slapstick created endless laughter. Each episode highlighted social manners, class tensions, and the absurdities of everyday life. Families watched, laughed, and sometimes groaned at Basil's antics, connecting with the chaos in their own ways. The show balanced intelligence with physical comedy, turning small hotel disasters into unforgettable entertainment. Even decades later, its timing and humor feel fresh, proving why Fawlty Towers remains a 1970s British TV classic, combining sharp satire with pure comedic genius. 2. Porridge. Inside Slade Prison, Ronnie Barker's Fletcher brought humor and humanity together. The clever wordplay, camaraderie, and subtle social commentary made audiences laugh while reflecting on authority and resilience. Life behind bars felt real, yet entertaining. Families could relate to the struggles, absurdities, and triumphs of Fletcher and fellow inmates. Porridge wasn't just comedy, it was storytelling layered with wit and heart. Its mix of sharp humor and warmth captured 1970s Britain perfectly, leaving viewers both entertained and emotionally invested. The series still stands as a masterclass in blending laughter with meaningful narrative. 3. Dad's Army. This home guard sitcom showcased British resilience and gentle humor. The ragtag soldiers' misadventures during World War II brought laughter and nostalgia. Viewers connected with the quirky characters, their earnest mistakes, and unexpected heroism. Dad's Army celebrated ordinary people navigating extraordinary circumstances with warmth and charm. Families tuned in weekly, sharing jokes, anticipating gags, and feeling pride in British spirit. Its timeless humor and historical setting made it a cultural touchstone of the 1970s. Even decades later, Dad's Army resonates as a perfect blend of comedy, heart, and subtle social commentary. 4. The Goodies. Tim, Graham, and Bill turned everyday situations into surreal adventures. Creative slapstick, vibrant props, and musical sketches made the series playful and unpredictable. 1970s viewers adored its experimentation, combining wit, physical comedy, and imagination. Families laughed at the absurdities while marveling at inventive storylines. The Goodies captured the decade's whimsical, creative spirit. Its energy and funfulness made it an essential British comedy, appealing to children and adults alike. By merging satire with visual gags, it left a lasting impression on audiences, making the 1970s a uniquely joyful era for television comedy. 5. Monty Python's Flying Circus. Monty Python redefined British comedy. Surreal sketches, strange animations, and absurd humor challenged conventions. Viewers were often surprised, sometimes confused, but always captivated. Its clever social satire poked fun at authority, daily life, and societal norms. Families watched together, laughing while thinking critically. The show became a cultural phenomenon in the early 1970s, inspiring generations of comedians. Its influence on humor persists, proving the power of bold, experimental content. Monty Python captured the energy of a decade eager for change, making it one of the most iconic shows of the era. 6. Upstairs, Downstairs. This period drama explored life of the wealthy Bellamy family and their servants. Themes of class, romance, and societal change unfolded in opulent settings. Audiences were immersed in drama and intrigue, fascinated by every scandal and secret. Upstairs, downstairs made British history relatable and personal. Families discussed the characters and plots at the dinner table, creating shared experience. Its high production value and layered storytelling captured the elegance and tension of early 20th century life. By presenting drama across social classes, it became a 1970s staple, combining education, emotion, and entertainment in a single series. 7. Open All Hours. Ronnie Barker returned as shopkeeper Arkwright, a quirky small-town character. Slow-paced humor, repeated gags, and charming eccentricity made it unforgettable. The series celebrated everyday life in British towns, showing the humor in mundane moments. Families watched with warmth, enjoying predictable antics and lighthearted satire. Open All Hours created comfort and routine on television, offering laughter without chaos. Its combination of witty dialogue, relatable situations, and nostalgic charm captured the 1970s mood perfectly, ensuring it became a beloved classic remembered fondly even decades later. 8. Rising Damp. Set in a boarding house, Rising Damp explored class, race, and ambition with sharp humor. Leonard Rossiter's landlord character clashed hilariously with tenants, creating memorable comedic tension. Families enjoyed clever wordplay and social commentary wrapped in laugh-out-loud situations. The series blended satire with relatability, making every episode engaging and thought-provoking. Its humor reflected the challenges and quirks of everyday life in Britain during the 1970s. Rising Damp's intelligent comedy, layered storytelling, and memorable performances cemented it as one of the decade's defining sitcoms, balancing wit, warmth, and societal reflection in a timeless way. 9. Are You Being Served? This department store sitcom mixed slapstick, innuendo, and eccentric characters. The staff's absurd antics delighted audiences, blending workplace humor with societal commentary. Viewers tuned in weekly, enjoying the interplay between Mr. Humphreys, Mrs. Slocum, and the other staff. The show reflected shopping culture, social manners, and human quirks of the 1970s. Its combination of over-the-top comedy and relatable workplace situations made it a beloved British series. Families laughed together while recognizing the universal absurdities of everyday life. Are You Being Served? Remains an iconic example of 1970s British humor and television storytelling. 10. The Tomorrow People. A family-friendly sci-fi series where children with psychic powers faced secret organizations and thrilling adventures. It captured imagination, wonder, and hope. Viewers were transported to a world where youth could be heroes, solving mysteries and facing danger with courage. The Tomorrow People inspired excitement about science, adventure, and future possibilities. 1970s audiences connected emotionally, rooting for characters while marveling at imaginative storylines. Its mix of adventure, suspense, and family-friendly narrative made it a defining series of the decade. The show represents the optimism and creativity of 1970s UK television. 1970s UK TV wasn't just entertainment, it was a shared experience. Families gathered around one screen, paused life, and lived these stories together. Laughter, suspense, and drama connected generations. Which of these shows stopped your family in its tracks? Comment below and relive the golden era of British television. Because sometimes the flicker of an old TV screen feels brighter than any modern display.